In today's industrial landscape, safety managers face increasing pressure to balance productivity, compliance, and worker well-being. Amid fast-moving machinery and demanding workflows, one aspect often overlooked is ergonomic safety, a strategic tool that not only prevents injuries, but also supports operational efficiency and boosts morale. Ergonomic safety is about designing jobs, tools, and workspaces that align with the natural movements and limitations of the human body. In manufacturing, poor ergonomics can lead to musculoskeletal disorders, MSDs, high turnover, and even increased risk of machine-related accidents. In this guide, we'll explore the essentials of ergonomic safety, highlight its synergy with pedestrian safety and machine guarding, and offer actionable tips for implementation in your facility. At its core, ergonomic safety minimizes physical strain by adapting the environment to the worker, not the other way around. This means evaluating how repetitive motion, awkward postures, overexertion, and static loads affect employee health over time. Common ergonomic hazards in manufacturing include repetitive reaching around guarding, poorly placed controls causing awkward positions, manual lifting in cramped or obstructed spaces, and standing for prolonged periods on hard surfaces. These issues are not only physically damaging, but can reduce focus, increase errors, and raise the likelihood of incidents near dangerous machinery. Workstations should accommodate a range of body types and movements. Starting with a height range of 29 to 39, an ideal adjustable station includes electric lifts that add +6 of flexibility, reducing the need for awkward bending or reaching. Additional workstation upgrades include anti-fatigue mats to reduce pressure on joints, task lighting to ease visual strain, and organizational tools for tool accessibility and efficiency. Carts should be designed to reduce pushing and pulling forces. Adding swivel casters, adjustable handles, and optimal shelf heights can prevent overexertion injuries. Flow racks can also streamline material handling by using gravity-fed systems that minimize lifting and reaching. One of the most impactful innovations in ergonomic manufacturing is the auto-lift table. These devices eliminate manual lifting by adjusting to the worker's needs through electric or hydraulic systems. Benefits include adjustable height settings for diverse tasks, increased lifting speed and load capacity, fail-safe safety mechanisms and emergency stops, and reduced back injuries and fatigue. Companies implementing auto-lift tables have reported measurable improvements in both safety and productivity. Ergonomics and pedestrian safety may seem like separate initiatives, but together they offer a powerful safety strategy. Poor ergonomics often push workers into unsafe zones, increasing pedestrian vehicle collisions or machine contact. Where they intersect, well-placed controls reduce unsafe movement near operating equipment, adjustable guard access encourages proper lockout-tagout and minimizes awkward entry, and optimized work zones keep employees within safe zones away from high-traffic areas. Mistakes include integrating ergonomic reviews into continuous improvement processes, relying solely on managers or engineers for ergonomic assessments, neglecting industrial environments while focusing on desks and screens, investing in tools before understanding the specific risk, and implementing changes without tracking injury data or productivity. Fixes include involving frontline workers. They know where the pain points really are, prioritizing physical jobs like assembly, machining, and packing lines, conducting ergonomic assessments like RIBA or RULA before purchasing, and tracking MSD rates, worker feedback, and ROI on ergonomic investments. Companies that integrate ergonomic safety with broader safety goals see significant returns, including fewer injuries, OSHA compliance, higher productivity, and improved morale. Practical steps for safety managers include conducting a joint safety audit using ergonomic tools like RIBA and mapping pedestrian machine zones, involving cross-functional teams to collaborate with maintenance, engineering, and traffic planners. Redesigning for dual purposes to choose safety solutions that balance access, visibility, and ergonomics, and training with real-world scenarios using digital simulations and live walkthroughs to reinforce behaviors. Ergonomics is not just about comfort, it's about protecting people, increasing efficiency, and building a resilient safety culture. When combined with pedestrian safety and machine guarding strategies, ergonomic design becomes a competitive advantage in manufacturing. At PowerSafe Automation, we specialize in turnkey machine guarding and ergonomic safety solutions. Contact us for a facility-specific risk assessment and discover how small changes can lead to big results.